Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, please subscribe to this channel. If you haven't subscribed, like this video, share this video and drop your thought in the comment section, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. I'm going to leave that link in the description of this video and in the comment section. So guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about PocketFi listing date and how are you going to claim your token. So guys, this past 3 days I haven't uploaded any video. I was busy, that's why I didn't upload, but right now I'm back online and I'm going to update you about any airdrop. But before that, this is an update, this is an announcement from Bitget exchange. If you are using Bitget exchange, this update is for you. Before I'm going to talk about PocketFi airdrop. So this is the update. In light of a recent periodic review, Bitget is delisting a total of 28 trading pairs on 24th of May 2025 at 10 o'clock UTC. Details are as follows. So if you still have these tokens, you can see these tokens. If you still have them in Bitget exchange, then you are advised to either sell them or withdraw them from Bitget exchange to any centralized or any decentralized exchange of your choice. So if you are holding these tokens in Bitget wallet, then they are safe, but if you are holding them in Bitget exchange, then they are not safe. Withdraw them to any centralized or decentralized exchange. So now I'm going to talk about PocketFi. Remember in my previous video about PocketFi, I stated that you should not pay that proof of humanity, and now this is the result. You can see that this PocketFi have already listed their tokens since yesterday and the price is pumping, but now to withdraw is the problem. You can see that I do not pay for that proof of humanity. That's why you are seeing my total balance is 0. So if you pay for that proof of humanity, I'm going to show you how you are going to withdraw your token. But before that, you cannot withdraw all of your token at once. You are only going to withdraw 5% today. Then in the next 3 days, you are going to withdraw only 10% of your token. I'm going to explain that in this video. So to claim your token, you are going to click on claim now. So once you click on claim now, you can see that for you to still claim your tokens, you are going to pay the claim fee. You can see the red flag. So if you claim today the 5%, then in the next 3 days you are still going to pay another claim fee. Then on the 9th of June, when you want to claim all of your token, you are still going to pay another claim fee. So you can see the way they are playing with the community. So if you claim your tokens and you want to trade them or sell them, then you come to their Telegram channel and you are going to click on this icon. So it's going to take you to their website where you are going to trade or sell your tokens. So once you claim your tokens from the PocketFi mini app, then your token will be automatically redirected to this website. Then once you come here, you are going to click on sell. It's because that I do not have any token, that's why you are seeing buy, but for you, you are going to click on sell. If you want to buy, then you click on buy. then you are going to copy this Ton address. Then once you copy it, then you go to your Ton wallet or any wallet and make the transfer. So once you click on this icon too, you can see we have withdraw, we have send, and we have receive. So if you sell your tokens and you want to withdraw them, then you are going to click on withdraw. Then once you come here, you are going to click on this icon and select Ton. So once you select Ton, then you will click on receiver. You can see this receiver. Then this is where you are going to input your Ton wallet address. So you paste your Ton wallet address, then you come back and input the amount of Ton you want to withdraw. If all you want to withdraw, then you click on max. If you want to withdraw 10% or 25% or 50%, then you click on transfer. So once you withdraw this Ton, then the Ton will be deposited to your preferred wallet. So guys, you know they have arrested the CEO of Bloom airdrop, so their listing will be delayed.